Nice position for Mario Barrios. The instructions from
So, sino mananalo?
these are the championship rounds. An artificial score.
2 more
Larry
round.
Alford has Manny Pacquiao up 87-84. So Mario played all the last 3 rounds just to get a draw. Manny Pacquiao, and he got one from many close rounds. Shows by that explosion. Never gonna leave Manny from the We talked about the sentimental player. These judges are human. They know what they're experiencing. They know what they're living. And that's the difficulty of separating yourself.
Uy! Nako ha!
Throw flurries, connect, and push Pacquiao back.
The opportunities there. We talked about every time that Pacquiao throws a combination, he leaves himself open.
You are fighting the world champion here.
He's not at the right angle. There is the jab. He's got to get
Tuturuan lang ni Pacquiao yan.
Get the momentum.
Look, it's one thing if you're 46 and you're only relying on power to stay relevant. Pacquiao is out. He can't do it. To this point. To the point that Pacquiao was outlining Barrios and be able to
Nakata mo ha, ang haba ng kamay niya. Oh. Abot na abot siya. Oo nga, kaya nga nakaganon si Pacquiao, nakasara. Buti nakasara lagi yung mukha niya. Oo, natatamaan pa rin. Yun ang sinasabi sa kanya, o diyan ka malalamangan dahil mahaba kamay mo. Mahirap na ano to. Inakot mo na, Pacquiao, come on, you can do it. Sabi niya wala to, sabi ni Pacquiao. Binabatukan siya eh. Pero ano siya, sports siya, ginaganon niya oh. Okay, okay ka lang. Sabi niyang ganon. Oh yeah, I'm okay. Nag-uusap pa eh, no? Hindi, nagganon sila, nag-peace bump sila eh. Nakita mo ba? Sport. Sport siya eh. Hindi siya ano, hindi siya pikon, kumbaga.
The championship rounds will be crucial here at the MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas, Nevada. And what a privilege it is to call.
Meron si Barrios. Parang, ayun na eh, open na eh. Hindi pa ginawa, no? What's going on?